Hi everyone, welcome to an art lesson with Miss Lily. Today we're going to learn how to draw a character from Animal Crossing. We're going to draw Isabelle. Remember to pause throughout the video after each step. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. We're going to start by drawing some guidelines. Make sure you draw very lightly. Draw a circle and a T shape in the center. Isabelle's head is almost like a square, so for her cheeks we have to draw some rounded corners at the bottom. Draw a leaf shape for both sides of her bangs. And for her body, we have to draw a long bell shape. And draw a line to sketch out the angle of her arms and legs. Draw the lines of the shirt to figure out the placement of the leg. One of her legs is lifted back, so we have to draw that leg angled. One of her arms is touching her cheek and the other one is behind her side. Draw in her sleeves and the rest of her shirt. And her skirt ends right above her knee. The line I drew earlier was a little low, so I drew another one above it. Her ear starts halfway up her bangs and goes behind her arm, and the other one ends at the bottom of her cheek. Draw a circle and a small half a circle for her buns. Now that we have everything sketched out, we can draw over it with darker lines to make the actual drawing. We can start adding some details like the hair tie, collar, and pocket. I'm going to lightly draw the eyes above the second line that I drew earlier. In between those two lines, you can make the nose, and if the placement of the eyes is correct, you can darken them in. And darken in the nose. For the mouth, start with two curved lines directly under the eyes and create a banana shape. Don't forget the tooth and the tongue. Once you're finished with your outline, you can erase the guidelines. Now we can start shading in some of the details. For the shape around her mouth, it starts above the nose and creates a cloud shape at the bottom with 3 bumps. Darken in the ears, create a swiggle on the bun and darken the top. Add some buttons too. Let's darken in the shirt and create some leaf-shaped designs. The leaf shape is like a heart with a stem. And add the logo to her pocket, and draw some shoes. Darken in the tongue and her mouth and add the blush to her cheeks. And finally, you can darken in her hair tie. And there you have it. Now you know how to draw Isabelle. Send us pictures of your drawing. You could be featured in our next video and our website.